I'm Alex. I wear a lot of hats. Weapon of choice, it depends on the day. Fire hose, squeegee, or a really solid coach's speech. People count on me, and I like that part. Being a firefighter, it's adrenaline. It's fast. It's rushing in when everybody else is rushing out. But it's also the little calls. The neighbor who just needs a hand, heat stroke lecture for running in 112-degree weather. But mostly, it's just showing up for people. And I coach Little League. It's not always pretty, but showing up, that's what counts. I promised him a snack from the snack bar. You'd be surprised with how satisfying it is to watch a window go from dusty to crystal clear. I like a good system. Everything in its place. No second trips to the truck. Brushwork, angles, drying time, it all matters. If you don't care about the little things, they pile up fast. Respecting someone's home, that's a non-negotiable. Solar panels too. I get up there so you don't have to. Whatever hat I'm wearing, the job is the same. To leave it better than I found it.